Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again, Life as Wanderlust. Today I'm riding to Malali Waterfalls, which is around 253 kilometers from Bangalore. I took the Bangalore-Mangalore highway. It's a very good highway. Reached Hassan. From Hassan I had to take a diversion to Sakleshpur route. The roads are really bad after that, but it's fun to ride on a motorcycle on these roads. You can do some off-road and up and downs. It's really fun to ride on these roads on a two-wheeler especially, and I'm really enjoying it. And I'm on the way to Malali Waterfalls. It's not raining here now. I believe in the morning it had some light showers. I'm just feeling a little sad it's not raining now because I expected a lot of rain today. I wanted to ride a monsoon ride with a lot of rain and thunderstorm, but unfortunately it's not raining, and even the roads would have turned bad, and I would have had a lovely off-road, adventurous off-road. But still, I'm enjoying the sceneries all around, greenery filled everywhere, the mountains covered with fog, uh, beautiful weather to ride, and yes, I'm really enjoying the ride now. And I think so it's another 5 to 10 minutes I'll be reaching the waterfalls, and here and there a lot of potholes, and it's really turning out to be a fun ride out here. Oh, good roads now. So nice to ride. Feels like I'm riding in the middle of the forest in a road like this, that too in a monsoon season. Just missing the rain here, as I said you, but still, it's worth a ride today. And yes, I'm almost reaching the falls. You can see everybody coming back from the falls, and see people are going towards the falls. I feel it's a little traffic here. People have parked their cars, and this guy is parked his car in the middle of the road, and he doesn't want me to go in the front. I need to wait till this Ballono comes in the front, and no, he doesn't want to give me way. Okay, come. Okay, he's going off-roading. And now I can go. And why is this guy? And he's asking the others to come. Oh my god, he's not letting anyone go in the front. Things are, what's happened to him? Okay, people are walking. And yes, I think so I've reached the parking spot, and here's one more guy who's blocked the way, slowly moving. I think so he wants to park it in the front near the gate, and he's not going to get a parking because I think the parking is full in the front. So let me put my bike here. Yes. And yes, that's the waterfalls, and I'm gonna go there walking all the way down to the stairs. Guys, the waterfalls is closed. The main gate of the waterfalls is locked. Sorry, I couldn't show you the gate locked because there is a small narrow passage where like only one person can get inside and get out. So I couldn't carry my camera and get through it, so I couldn't record anything there. But anyway, I've got inside and I've started walking down. But for sure, police have put some barricades too there, but people are crossing it, including me. So I don't know what's going to happen, but still, I'm going down. The two guys in front of me, they are riding with me. I met them in Sakleshpur parking lot near the fort. Uh, I believe it's their first ride on motorcycle, and they are really excited. So I'm still walking down the staircase, and that's the falls from here. The view is so beautiful. Yes, the falls is in the middle of a forest surrounded by green. There's a lot of people here. And I'm really surprised, like so many people just came out of that one small passage near the gate. Can see many couples today and even bikers, and many of them families have come today to visit the falls, as today is a Sunday and even the restrictions have been lifted in Karnataka, so people are free to travel. And I see another gate and it's been locked, and yes, this is the only way you can get into this gate and get out. Look at that. Yes, that's the only way. I don't know who has done this, but they have cut open the gate and people are squeezing through that small gap, and if you're fat, it's going to be a problem. And this is going to be little slippery, and this guy is sat on the way, so I'm going to go that way. Yes, you have to be careful because it's going to be slippery, and you can see the clouds completely cover the sky, and there's the falls, and I'm right near the falls. The main river which flows here is the Kumaradhara river. Later it flows into Kukke Subramaniam and then merges with Netravati, and in the end it just gets into the Arabian Sea at Mangalore. As I said you, I've met some riders on the way, so all are with me, so I'm going to introduce them to you. Yeah, it starts from Ruben. I stopped recording. This is what happened.
Corona,
Wait, I didn't start recording.
damn it! Oh, dude!
Yeah, now go ahead. Hey, now go ahead. Yeah.
Okay. Ruben Orona, basically from Kerala, Cochin, currently in Bangalore, and enjoy my rides.
Yes.
Hey, hi, my name is Adarsh Bhatt and I'm basically from Karnataka itself, Chikmagaluru, and today I'm at with beautiful people and that's it.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Abhiram. I'm his cousin. I'm from Hassan. I love to travel all around India.
But
and
your
the
legs
world.
shiver to walk. 18 years. The reason we are teasing him is because he came all the way down walking. Once he reached the waterfalls, he said, "My legs are shivering." I asked him, "What's your age?" And he said 18. So we like, "You're 18 years and your legs are shivering just walking down the staircase." Wow, look at that beauty. Good, nobody is going near the waterfalls to take a shower. All are sitting on the rocks and taking a view of this beautiful place and the sceneries. Look at that. Greenery, mountains, clouds, water flow. It's a beautiful place. Malali Waterfalls. From here, even you can visit Kukke Subramaniam, which is just 1.5 hours from here, and Bisle Ghat. And I'll be riding to Bisle Ghat viewpoint now. And right now I'm in Bisle Ghat viewpoint. I can see Kumara Parvata right in front of me. And this place is said to be one of the most difficult treks in Karnataka. One of the major reasons that makes it difficult is the distance of 21 kilometers from Kukke Subramaniam temple to Kumara Parvata. And that's it for the day. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you guys. Goodbye.